Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulled back around 5% yesterday. Every 6 hours, around 20,000 Bitcoin is being sold. Someone is dumping the market right now. And this massively affected alts across the board. We had about 5 to 15% drop in altcoins. And this wasn't just limited to crypto. This also happened to stock. Tesla is down around 8% in after hours right now. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis. I've been doing it for 22 years now, and you're going to learn some of it. I've been teaching on these videos for 3.5 years, more than 10,000 students all up taking all my courses. There's 8,000 of you inside the Telegram as well. I warned about this drop 2 days ago, and I'm going to show you that in this video as well. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I warned about this Bitcoin drop. Look at this across the market. Apple, Beyond Meat, QCOM slightly up, but everything else just getting hammered. Tesla down 2% and 6% in after hours. Coinbase down 4%. Bitcoin down 5% yesterday. BNB down 5%. Across the board, we just got hammered on alts and on altcoins. Bitcoin pulling back exactly to my target, a bit lower even. It came down to 28,500. And I talked about this in a video 2 days ago. 2 days ago, 19,000 Bitcoin dump right now. See how far Bitcoin pulls back, but where I would go long here is off this major support here. Stop loss just underneath the monthly. And the take profit targeting that third and the fifth wave, which would the goal would be 35,000. That's a 10.39 risk to reward ratio trade. You can do it a little bit 28,800, and that's where we came down to lower in case it wicks down lower, and then we take less risk. 28,690. 13 risk to reward. And we came down to 28. That was when we were at 30,000. We came down to 28,560. So I was very close. This is where I would actually be going long from these supports now. Why? Because we have this big bull flag forming. We have this big inverse head and shoulders forming on the daily. You can see this big inverse head and shoulders forming, which is a bullish pattern. This one here, inverse head and shoulders like this. That's a big one forming, and we're coming back to that support line. This is a very strong support that we're coming to now. You can see here where we're sitting right now at 28,000. This was a very strong support area back here on the drops back in April 2022, exactly 1 year ago. These were the major supports. And you can see here we've come down onto this major support right now as well. Volumes coming in, RSI is overbought. Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot, which you get in the crypto master course, still saying a blue buy, hasn't flipped to a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot flipped to a sell yesterday and actually called this drop before it happened. It flipped to a sell yesterday on the Bitcoin indicator bot. RSI is overbought on the daily coming down, weekly extremely overbought, monthly not so overbought, 4 hourly very oversold now, volume coming in. It's trying to hold this support. But I still would be going long from this major supports down here. So if you haven't opened a long yet, where I would open a long on Bitcoin is from this major support here. This area here. Stop loss just underneath in case it fails to hold here. And take profit on the fifth and final wave here. This would be considered now also the third wave. This would be the third wave. So now we are in the fourth wave correction. For the Elliott waves to remain legitimate, we need to hold this fourth wave. We need to hold this position here. It can't go lower than 27,800. Otherwise it invalidates the fourth wave. It invalidates this Elliott wave count. If we manage to hold this, if this is the third wave correction and we manage to hold, which I think it is now, this would class it as a third wave correction coming down here. If we manage to hold 27,700, then we can get a bounce to go into the fifth wave. And that's where I would go long on Bitcoin, targeting this potential fifth wave, but with very tight stop loss in case the trade goes against us. This risk to reward ratio is 24, risking $288 to make $7,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $70,000 of profits. So risking $288 to make $7,067 with no leverage, with 10x leverage, $70,000 of profits. 24 risk to reward ratio, opening the trade 27,846, stop loss 27,558, and take profit 35,000. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin on this pullback. And alt's just getting hit very hard here. We had a lot of pullback. FXS, I bought a lot of it. We were up to $11 yesterday, and then a huge pullback right now onto supports as well on FXS. So just big rejection of this trend line. Big rejection, and it's across the board on a lot of altcoins. On Ethereum also pulling back. Ethereum hit that stop loss from yesterday. It was a false breakout, it looks like. Let's see if Ethereum can hold where I would go long on Ethereum. This is also now playing on that fourth wave correction, which needs to hold for Ethereum at 1700 to continue this Elliott wave. It can't go lower than 1700. And where I would go long for Ethereum is from these supports here as well. Stop loss just underneath, and take profit at that fifth and final wave, which is at 2,900 for Ethereum. This is the trade that I'll take on Ethereum on a pullback to 1685 is open. Stop loss 1575. Take profit at 2972. Let's see if Ethereum now can hold this fifth wave Elliott count, the fourth wave. Now we're on the third wave, sorry. So this was the first wave, then correction, third wave, so second to third wave, then correction. Now let's see if we can hold here and then have the final Elliott wave on Ethereum. If you want to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using this link. So in the description of this video, smash up the thumbs up button. So every video, let's get thousands of likes on this video. Smash up thumbs up button, hit that bell, turn on all notifications on that bell, and sign up to Bybit using that link to get $30,000 worth of bonuses. $30,000 worth of bonuses when you trade using Bybit. You can also take the crypto master course where you get the crypto guru bot and you learn how to set up your charts the way you saw me do, and you learn technical analysis. And you can join the free Telegram alerts group. There's 8,000 of you there now. It's free, 8,000 of you discussing crypto together. So once you sign up to Bybit using that link, you get $30,000 when you meet the requirements, but that will open a trading account similar to this. And in here, I've got Bitcoin is down 5.3% today. My Bitcoin trade is $18,900 in the profits, 250%. It was about 320% yesterday, about 25,000 in profits, so it dropped quite a bit. 2.98 Bitcoin trade. I used $7,000 to make $7,400 to make $18,900. 250%, 2.98 Bitcoin. That's on my derivatives trade. In my account, I have $267,000. It's down around $16,000 from yesterday, 7%. Quite a big hit. Bitcoin, I have $116,000 of Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, I've got $40,000 of MCRT, Bitcoin dropping. Ton, I have $23,000. Ton was $26,000 yesterday, so it took $3K hit on Ton, but still up around $3,000 when I bought it from 20K. FXS, $22,000. That was $27,000 yesterday, so big hit on FXS as well. $22,000. Uniswap, I bought more of Ethereum. This is what I'm holding in my trading account. $267,000 in there and $18,900 trade on Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to hold here. And again, if you want to trade under the video, smash up this bell, smash the thumbs up button, and subscribe to Bybit using that link to trade altcoins, Bitcoin, etc. What else do we have? This is the new Ronin character coming into the game. He will be added into the new patch, which is coming very soon. This is a new healer character that's coming to Magicraft. Bitcoin is now the 8th biggest market cap asset in the world, probably dropped down after that. There is an amazing AI competition going on for MCRT. Check out Magicraft Game on Twitter. You can win lots of prizes right now, so check it out. The people are creating AI images. There's the All-Star tournament happening soon for Magicraft. There'll be one ultimate winner, 8 teams, prizes for all participants, $23,500 worth of prizes, 24 players, 8 weeks. Your guides have been very helpful, though I'm too scared to hold any of it. I wish I followed you from a long time. God bless. Thank you, Myron. Dude, you're the best. Don't ever stop making videos. I've learned so much from you, learning to fish instead of being fed a fish. Never stop, James. You are godsend. Thank you so much, Jeff. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my thoughts on the market, on Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to hold here and complete this third to fourth wave correction. If it doesn't and we get rejected, if we go lower, then it breaks that Elliott wave and 35K. It looks like we could have hit the top at 31K of this local top. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Learn to trade. If you lost money here, study, learn, never give up. I mainly buy Bitcoin, MCRT, Bitcoin, MCRT, Uniswap, FXS, TON, BNB. That's what I'm holding on crypto side. On stock side, I'm holding Tesla, Google, Facebook, TSM, Amazon, tech stocks as well. So splitting between stocks and cryptos. You have to do your own due diligence. None of this is financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. When I think, thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing night. Did you catch that short on Bitcoin? What do you think? Do you think 31K was the top? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.